Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bitstamp account for secure Bitcoin purchases, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Bitstamp account for secure Bitcoin purchases, begin by visiting the official Bitstamp website. In the top right corner, click on the sign up button. Fill out the registration form with your email address and a strong password. Review and accept the terms of service, then click create account. Check your email for a verification message from Bitstamp. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your address. Now, log into your Bitstamp account using your email and password. Next, navigate to the Account tab in the dashboard. Select Verification from the drop-down menu. To start the verification process, you will need to provide personal information. Fill out your full name, date of birth, and country of residence. Upload a valid government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. You may also need to upload a proof of address document, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement. After uploading your documents, click on Submit for verification. Wait for Bitstamp to review your application, which may take a few hours to a couple of days. Once your account is verified, you will receive a confirmation email. Log back into your account using your credentials. To fund your account, navigate to the Funding tab. Choose your preferred payment method for depositing funds. Follow the specific instructions for each payment option. After your deposit is confirmed, you can start purchasing Bitcoin. Go to the Trade section on the dashboard. Select the Bitcoin option and review the current market rates. Decide on the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Confirm your order and complete the transaction. Your Bitcoin will now be securely held in your Bitstamp account. You are now set to safely trade and manage your Bitcoin purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.